In this video, I will show you how to update Roblox on a Windows 10 PC. So let's jump straight into it. So here we are, as you can see, on roblox.com. So what you want to do is navigate to roblox.com and make sure you're logged into your account. To update Roblox and make sure you have the latest version, what you want to do from here is just go ahead and open up any game. And once you go ahead and open the game up, what it's going to do is actually download and install any updates automatically. So as you can see, this is going through now. It's just reinstalling Roblox, and if there's any updates, as I say, it's going to do that automatically. Now, if you're actually using the Microsoft Store version of Roblox, there's actually a different way to make sure that this is up to date. So to do this, what you're going to want to do first is come back to your desktop and come down to your search icon in the bottom left hand corner. From here, go ahead and type Store into the search bar and open up the Microsoft Store underneath Best Match. Once you've opened the store, what you're going to want to do, if you look to the bottom left hand corner, you're going to see it says Library. So what you want to do is click onto this. And it's just going to take a minute to load up your apps and games. Now what you want to do from here, if you come up to the top, what you want to do is click onto games. So you can see I've got Roblox here, and all you want to do is go to the top right hand corner and click the blue Get Updates button. So if there's any updates available, what it's going to do is download any updates for all your apps and of course Roblox. So that's how to go ahead and update Roblox on a Windows 10 system. I hope this quick tutorial helped you out today, and if it did, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a moment to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.